Berta J, and you are back in my kitchen with me today after a little break. I want to share with you a spice mix that I came up with that can be used in sweets. Not savory, but sweets, like your pies and your breads, your cookies, maybe even a pudding, I don't know. But anyway, this is going to be that spice mix for sweets that I think will bless you and will make things easier instead of dumping in this and this and this. You'll see as we go along, okay? I call it the gingerbread spice mix because we're going to use it in gingerbread. The first one is 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. You're going to mix all these together. And then 1.5 tablespoons of ginger. All these spices are ground spices. It's not fresh ginger. It's ground cinnamon, ground ginger. You have a whole tablespoon of nutmeg. You have 1/2 teaspoon each of allspice and cloves. And then you're just going to take your whisk and whisk it together. Ginger tends to lump up, get lumpy. So use your whisk to break it up. And I think we did pretty good. Got a few little lumps in there, but you can whisk it until you get them all out. And then you need a tight-fitting, you need a jar with a tight-fitting lid. And I've already got mine labeled. Put down a piece of wax paper and then dump this on it. Now I guess you could have mixed it on the paper, but I'm not sure how you could have gotten all the lumps out. If you'd want to bypass using another bowl, you can do that. Okay, now make it into a little shovel. And here's where you have to be really careful. Actually, crease that in like this so it doesn't come out the back. And you're just going to pour it. And that's it. Now you have gingerbread spice. This is a washed out old spice container, and it has a little shaker lid. That's really the end of this video. I wanted to introduce this first before we go into, we'll do some desserts. And the first dessert is going to use this. So I wanted to teach you this before we actually make the next one, okay? So, until next time, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell, and leave me some comments below. And because that's it, bye for now.